Sometimes, people fail to see your worth, but that doesn't mean you're replaceable. Watch this inspiring tale that will change the way you see yourself and your potential. Once upon a time, a young man went to his father and said, "Dad, I'm tired of struggling. I feel like no one values me at work, at home, anywhere." His father smiled gently, took off an old ring from his finger, and said, "Son, before we talk, take this ring to the market. Don't sell it, just find out what people are willing to pay." The young man went around the busy market, showing the ring to merchants. One offered 10 coins, another 15, no one more than 20. He was disappointed. He returned back home. "Dad, the most I could get was 20 coins. His father nodded calmly. "Now take this same ring to the jeweler in town." The young man did as told. The jeweler examined it carefully, his eyes widening. "Where did you get this?" "This is a rare piece. I'll give you 5,000 coins for it, right now." The young man was stunned. He ran back home, his voice trembling. "Dad, that ring is worth thousands. Why did no one at the market see it?" The father smiled knowingly. "Because, my son, not everyone can recognize your value. You were asking people who sell vegetables to price a diamond. That's not their fault, but it's not your fault either. When you let people who don't value you decide your worth, you'll always feel small. But when you know who you truly are, no one can replace you." The young man finally understood. Your worth doesn't decrease because someone else fails to see it. So remember, never lower your value just because someone else can't afford your greatness.